Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. And in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. And this is of a Samsung Galaxy A12 smartphone. So don't forget to like the video, give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell button as well to get notified every time I post a new video. This one in particular is from Cricket Wireless. So let's see what comes inside the box. Okay, just gives you a welcome, gives you a quick start guide. This is the smartphone itself. You can see it has 4 cameras, and I'll go through the specs later on really quick. It is from Cricket Wireless, so they give you the SIM card. They give you the terms and conditions. And then in this one, they do give you the wall charger, which a lot of times the newer, more expensive smartphones don't do that anymore, and the USB charger. And then just to give you a quick specs on the phone, it is 6.5-inch screen. It has 4 cameras in the back, as you can see there. It has a massive 5,000, I think, what is it, mAh battery. I forgot what that term is, but it lasts you a long time. It does have the option to include internal memory, like an SD card. And I think the standard memory on this one is 32 gigs. So let me know what you think on the video. Hopefully this helps if you're gonna buy one for yourself, so you can see everything that comes in the box. Thank you.